kwami akusiyo i-report as such. It's just my remarks, because when it comes to reports, belong akunobhala wethu. So mina kwami nje ngibingelela mhlawumbe ngizoba na 1-2 izinto engicabanga ukuthi is one of the achievements ezenzekile kule term esibuya kuyo. Mhlawumbe ke ngiyibhale ngesilungu i-report yami, mhlawumbe ngeke ifane nale eniyiphethe phambi kwenu nina, kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi ekugcineni ukusho ukuthi bengifilani, bengibonani, bengi-imagina ini, ngizoyichaza ngolimi lwesintu, ngoba lolo kaJoji phela uhamba lushiye endleleni. Yilokho nje ngokucelayo. Eyami ngiyibhale kanje: Santaco Greater Johannesburg Region, Electron team members, Gauteng Department of Road and Transport, RETS, Joint Ventures Organization, namely FTA, JMTTA, GGTA, ATA, Paracity, PMPTA. Ngicabanga ukuthi bakhona labafethu engibamenshina la elistini yami because ngiba invitile. I greet you all and welcome you to our 2025 elections. The quality of soil is what sustains the tree to pave the way for growth. Mr. Kwebu, yeah. Mr. Ndaba, Mr. Malele, Mr. Shabalala, I honor you, great man, for the foundations and the fertile soil laid that has made JVTA to be what it is today. The roots continue year after year to support the tree, to bear life force. To my executive members who have worked together with me in our term of service 2021 till date, I commend you and thank you all individually for your ethic, teamwork and the contribution in our growth of sustainability and the management of JVTA. And above all, serving the community with purpose. We have been through thick and thin amongst our great achievements. What stands out is the strategy that was implemented in buying 4 vehicles to enhance and improve the income of the association. It was a strategic move that will continue to bear return and investment for years to come. The fairness, equity of how members who have passed, who have 2 or 3 wives in distribution of ownership to each wife has played a huge role in ensuring that the disease legacy stays intact in a more fair way. Honesty, transparency, and fairness has been the heart of JVTA. Each tree shed leaves each year. Each tree shed leaves each year. And in our term, we had 15 deaths that were all natural. They are so rest in peace. The fear of Lord is the beginning of all wisdom. Let the wisdom of God reign from above, to not only receive my short theology, class 3 as just a mere fact that serve as a path for the legacy of JVTA, that continue to serve with purpose, grow with vision, transparency, and stay humble through the storm. Njoba ngishilo ke JVTA, in short, I will try to explain ukuthi ngesintu because that's a meeting in on election. So isihlahla sibuya kuphi? Ngizochaza lapho ke nje kakhulu. The rest into ezwakalayo. Mangi mention labo baba laba bambize amagama abo la. Obaba abaholele enhlangano. Isikhathi eside ngokuhlona kwabo. Mangithi ke umhlabathi ovundile olungiswe kahle uyakwazi ukuthi isihlahla simile kuwo, impande zakhona zishone phansi, siphakame siye phezulu, simelane nazo zonke izimo eziba khona empilweni nezivunguvungu eziba khona. Ngisho ke labo baba la engabize lapha abake basikholela lenhlangano. Ngidlule ngiye lapha engithi khona sinjalo isihlahla sikhule kahle, sibalansile, sishone phansi, impande ishone phansi, siphakeme. Kodwa unyaka nonyaka kuba necembe noma iqabunga eliwayo okungasho ukuthi isihlahla leso siphelile indaba yaso, kodwa kuba khona okuwayo. Lokho kuwayo mangimagina i-taxi industry akuyiswa umuntu. Njoba ngithi nje we have lost 15 members natural inhlahla yethu ka-JVTA, akekho icembe lakhe liwisiwe, liwe ngokwentando kaNkulunkulu. Let the wisdom of God take its place. So bonke labo abasibaluzile bayishonele ngokwendalo. Yabo.